Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharifa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to have perfect untrimmed eyebrows. Also, combing them first as I prepare and give them my desired shape. So I was using a spoolie, and after I'm holding my pencil, well sharpened pencil that I'm using Air Woman number 18. So the first thing, I've started by outlining the bottom of my brows, and also I also do the same on top of my brows, measuring with the eyebrow shape to see that I get that perfect size of my brows. And still I'm doing the same thing with the other side of my brow by outlining the bottom. So as I'm still outlining my bottom, still I have to be sure and still look at the other side not to make a mistake. And also I outline on top of my brows, trying to give them the shape that I want. Because now untrimmed eyebrows, it is not easy as the trimmed ones. So these ones you have to really be careful to get that size, your desired size. Now the next thing is to start filling in, and I fill in my eyebrows just to get that perfect color. You just don't need to be so hard using your pencil. You just have to use a soft hand though it would be better to use an eyebrow gel, but I'm not friendly with it, so I prefer a pencil. But with time, inshallah, probably I will learn how to use the gel, and I'll be able to record and show it to you. So trying to fill in to see that the pencil blends in with the eyebrows, to see if there are no space left out. There are no spaces left out, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to give them a shape that I want. I think I've achieved the shape that I want. Now the next thing is to get my brush my spoolie, just to comb them, to make them look smart somehow. It helps you actually even bring the eyebrows together. It could be better if you use soap or any Vaseline in the beginning. It could be better because there is a way how your eyebrows bring out that shape and shiny color on them. So the next thing is to get my concealer, and I'm using LA Girl Pro concealer to clear my brows and actually to blend them. So that is my brush that I use. It is kind of old 5 years. I've been with it doing nothing. But now it's doing its own work anyway. So I'm trying to line my concealer underneath my brows. And the next thing is that you if you're a beginner like me, you don't have to use too much of the concealer, because it is hard sometimes to blend it in with your skin color, or even it is hard to sometimes wipe it off. So sometimes I find it as a challenge, but with time, of course, you get used to it slowly. So I'm trying to also shape my eyebrows on the upper side of my brows, Yeah, here you just have to be careful, and you need to take your time, because if you put too much product, sometimes it can be weird and hard to reduce that amount that you put on your skin. So with leniency, you just have to keep on adding some little more to see that you're getting that shape that you want. Most of now with my untrimmed eyebrows, I sometimes just imagine that that part that is normally trimmed off, it's also trimmed off, but it is there. So sometimes I just imagine like, yeah, it is trimmed off, but when my eyebrows are still there. Yeah, so I'm trying to do the same thing with my other side of the eyebrows. I don't know if it is left or right, but whatever it is anyway. Yeah, so I do the same thing. You see, I'm using little amount of concealer, yeah, to just give them the shape and that clear line of perfect eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing upwards. So I'm cleaning them as I blend it. And how do they say it? Blending what? But here I'm okay. I'm still cleaning them to see that they bring out that look, that gloomy look. Yeah, like they stand out like their eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm still clearing them and clearing the concealer out as I give them the amount that is needed for eyebrows. Hey guys, don't forget that these are untrimmed eyebrows, so yeah, I'm just trying to bring them out to look so nice. Yeah, so to those who don't trim brows like me, this is for you. This is for you. It's okay, you can always try it out and you get that look. Yeah, and trust me, you'll like it if you start practicing the untrimmed eyebrows. Yeah, so here I'm trying to just reduce the product which is on my brush. Yeah, so I'm just trying to reduce it as I'm looking at my eyebrows to see if they are doing what I want, if they are bringing out the purpose of this video. I'm just now trying to clear everything, summarize everything. Yeah, and to see that my brows are completely blended in with the concealer. So I'm just playing with my brush to see if I get that shape. Now sometimes this I see people doing it, but I just do it because, yeah, to just reduce the product on my brush. Majorly that's the reason why I do it. Sometimes I feel so happy when I do it and my eyebrows come out nicely, because you know, it is not easy actually. It took me time, by the way. Yeah, but I am enjoying it to see that they are coming out nicely, and hope you guys love them. And if you like them, please don't forget to give them a big thumbs up, a very big one. Give it to me, give it to me, give me that very big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe, please. I have a lot more in stock that I've learned. I know my teachers are going to be watching these videos. Hope I'm not disappointing you, but yeah, so please just subscribe, and if you have anything that you want to tell me, please don't forget to leave it under the comment section down below. It's okay, I'll be replying them, and I'll be glad if you advise. Please, 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 I'm begging you. Next time I promise I'll do it better. But my teachers, don't get mad at me. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Bye bye, love you. Mwah.